on?
Everything is good.
Okay. All right. So today's topic is all about celebrity crush. Have you got the topic? The some questions are there.
Yes, yes, I got the. I read the question, but I don't think it's. I was really interested this topic because I don't have any crush about the celebrity. You can say I just watched the movie, not any kind of crush.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I don't
Oh,
know what I say in this topic.
okay. Actually, these questions were created by me because most of the teenagers, like this type of topic, celebrity crush. They become very much excited. So that's why. Okay, so we can move towards any other topic. Normal conversation we can also have. So you can tell me what did you do today?
What what I did actually, actually it's all have completed. So uh, as you know, I'm doing a job, so you can say office. I'm going my office.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I'm going not. I was going my. I
I
went
was
my
going to
office.
office.
Yeah, I was going to my office, and now you can say half an hour I came my home
Mm-hmm.
and just started with conversation. Now I am not any kind of interesting thing I can share with you. You can say
Okay,
more.
so when you go to office?
It's my office time. You can say normally 10 to 7 normal office time. So I have to
So much
go
of
to
hectic
my
thing. Then
home.
after returning from office, you started doing this conversation. You didn't do any conversation with any YouTuber, any of your subscriber. You last on our last session, you said that before joining my session, you were conversing with one of your
Same, same,
subscribers.
same here today also. Before conversing, I was just talking with my subscriber.
Okay, so how was it? What did you spoke with your subscriber?
Actually, today's our topic is something about the horror story.
Okay, wow. So, what type of horror incidents you faced?
Not any kind of incident I can say, but yeah, once in my you can say pandemic time when the corona pandemic started. That time I was went my village. You can say native place. So that time in the night time, in the night time, you know the village, all the what do you say, forest kind of places. So in the night time, I just see somebody is behind me just
Oh,
walking like this. And I was just a little bit feel about
scared.
somebody is behind me, and somebody is telling me if you feel like this kind of thing, you don't move your face behind, otherwise you will be killed, like you will be die like this somebody. So I was just running fast. I don't want to see that behind. So one time it's happened with me this thing. So yeah, so I
There was
believe in this kind
someone.
of thing.
What
Yes.
you said?
No, no, I'm believing like some kind of ghost, you can say.
OMG, like there
Really.
was really someone, or you just felt like that some invisible kind of thing is facing me.
No, I just told you na, that incident is happened with me. So that is I believing really it's happened. Really,
Wow.
it's
That
is
means
there.
something strange happened. Like some spirits were there. I think so.
Yeah, I think so. Because before that, I was just thinking they are just joking and all that. But if I feel personally, so that I was really thinking, no, something is there like this. But in Mumbai, I didn't found this kind of thing.
I
But
didn't find.
I didn't find or found.
Find.
Okay, I didn't find this kind of thing, but
Mhm.
when I going my village, that kind of thing is happened. I don't know why. Like some you can say very open area because there is a lots of space and forest, so that is why. I don't know. It's really there's some kind of ghost or not. It's my own feeling. I really don't know, but I didn't see anybody. Just I just feel somebody is walking behind me and some kind of noise is coming, like what do you say, fire type chum chum sound.
Yeah.
So
Oh, like totally like a movie.
Yeah, really, I was thinking somebody's walking, some kind of ladies is walking behind me. But it's the night time, you can say, in the night in
And
the
chum
village,
chum,
the people.
pile chum chum, you can say, and the music of the anklet.
Okay, the music
Anklet.
of the
Actually, a
anklet.
pile in English is known as anklet. The sound of the anklet.
Yeah, this okay. So sound of the anklet, I was just heard that time. So I was thinking, you know that in the village people are sleeping very early. So in this like 12 or 1 o'clock, who is walking like this? And I was very scared that time, and I was run very fast. I don't know. Within the 2 minutes, I reached my house. I was thinking, oh my god, how much fast I was running. But yeah, and in the morning I was very fever coming in my body. I was that much of a scare. So I told my whole story. This kind of thing is happened, and I was very nervous. So that is a fever is coming. I was that time very, you can say, scared. So I believe now the ghost is there
Yes,
in the
I
world.
also believe. The incident happened at when? When? How old you were?
No, no, I was telling now it's only when the pandemic is started in the
Oh,
two.
like recently. Yeah. Oh, gee. Now, right
It
now,
is
are you in Mumbai?
yes, yes, yes. When the
Oh.
first wave is started, 2020, so that time we are going. We are went my our village, and at least actually I was not you can say staying a longer time. But in this pandemic, I was staying 6 months in a very long time in my whole life. Otherwise, I was just for 10 to 15 days to stay in my village. But that time, we are getting a lots of holidays, so that is why. And I was you can say believing a more kind of thing. Before I was not believing all that thing, but presently I can believe, and I can, you can say, experience a lot of things when I'm going to my village, because there is a environment and the atmosphere very different, and living in the Mumbai, it's very totally different. So I was getting a good experience in both the place.
Mm-hmm. I also experienced one of these incidents. Like I was in, I think, class 7. I was 12-year-old at time, and I was sleeping with my mom and my sister. Okay, at this bed only.
Okay.
I was sleeping, and at midnight, I think it was 2 o'clock in the 2 o'clock. Okay, at night. So I was just sleeping. I just realized that somebody is behind me and somebody is staring at me. But when I turned back, but I was not able to turn back, as if my body becomes stiff, as if my body is, somebody is controlling my body. Then at that moment, I tried to call my mother. My mother was sleeping beside me, so I tried to call my mom that, hey, hey, wake up. But I told her, but after waking up I cried a lot. Like it was like my body became, somebody was controlling my body. So I started reading Hanuman Chalisa in my mind. Then after that the body became released, and I cried, and I told my mom that I was calling you for such a long time, why didn't you wake up? She said, I didn't hear, listen, you were not saying anything, you were just sleeping. So this kind of incident happened. After that I went to like Pandit ji. Then after that he gave me some kind of things. Then after that it's okay.
Okay. Yeah, but I can say this thing is really, some people are telling no, no, it that all the just fake rumors. You are just don't think much about that. But sometime I was really feel no, it's really here, like we are just not taking easy. You can say lightly. It's
Mhm.
not like we can take lightly. Yeah, but I
Those.
didn't find this kind of thing in Mumbai. I can say I don't know why in the village all that thing is happened, but not in, you can say, the in Mumbai, very big population, so there is not any place of the ghost staying.
Yeah, in village area, in rural areas only this kind of things are mostly seen. On television it used to happen, fear files.
Yes, yes, yes. I love to
All
watch.
the incidents used to happen in rural areas only.
Yes,
Most of the
yes, yes.
incidents. Fear
And there's
files,
this kind of
glitching.
some kind of palace, and very big palace, and some kind of that that kind of place, this kind of thing more. because the incident people are die, so there that is why that kind of incident is more.
Yeah, especially in old houses, somebody is buying an old house, this kind of things happen. I used to watch Fear Files a lot. I became so much of addicted. Like I addicted with that show. I don't know why. If I watch that Fear Files now, sometimes repeat telecast happens. So I just realized that I was so stupid. Really, I used to watch this kind of shows.
No, no, really. Actually, I also addicted, you can say, Fear Fire. But when I watched, so in my dream, the same thing is coming. I was very scared. So whatever I watch, the dream is coming, and my mom is telling you don't watch. Otherwise, in night you are just shouting and just disturbing our sleeping time. So you don't watch. And what do you say? Turn off the TV. Don't watch. Okay, if you watch, then you sleep and again watch the same dream in your night. So that is why. But I love to watch. In watching time, I was not scared, but in sleeping time, you can say I was very scared.
Yeah, because that's the reason whenever we watch now, where we become so much of connection happens, like as if we are into that scene. So that's the reason dreams come.
Yes, I guess a lots of serials that they are making. In my childhood, I was watching Ahat. Did
Yeah,
you heard Ahat?
I'm about to say this, Art.
Yeah, this is also the very horror serial at that time, very big famous serial. Harsh koi hai, some kind of serial is going. Yeah, so I
Yes,
love to watch
much
all that
fun.
horror serials.
Yeah, like nowadays, if you watch any Hindi in Hindi horror shows, that won't be a fun because during our childhood days, it used to be fun, used to be very much good, like a suspense. But
Yes,
nowadays, Bollywood horror movies have become stupid. If you want to watch horror movies, then go for Hollywood because Hollywood OMG, it's very nice.
yes. Is a one movie in the Hollywood Conjuring. What is the Conjuring?
Conjuring. Hmm.
Yes, so that one movie I watched. Otherwise, I don't watch the Hollywood movie in like that kind of. Otherwise, like my practice, you can say. I don't connect horror. You can say the horror movie because the people are looking like a horror in the. You can say. So I don't believe that thing. So, but I watch a Hindi horror serial, Hindi horror movie. I love to watch one movie, Raj movie. You
Yeah,
know that
I
Raj.
watched it too.
Yes. So it's a horror movie. I love to watch that movie.
Yeah, yeah. Himesh Rishimiya was that. This Ras part one. I forgot what it was all about. But I can remember the Ras three, which was last. Like Kriti Kharbanda and Himesh Rishimiya was there, right?
Yes,
The
yes,
last one
yes.
I can remember. Have you watched that?
Actually, I watched all the three parts. First season, first part, second part, and third part. In the second part, I think Kangna Ranawat. There is
Yes, yes.
some kind of Shrapit, that kind of thing is going. So that scene they are showing. But
What show
I
is
love
this?
I watched the Raj that movie in the Bipasha Vasu. Did
Mhm.
you watch that movie?
Yeah, I watched that. What did you say? Shapit.
Shrapit, Shrapit.
Shrapit is English curse.
Okay. I
CURSE.
don't. Yeah, I don't like recall that thing, but yeah, that type of story in that Raj part 2, I think. So it's also very interesting. I can say that Raj, all the three parts, very interesting story. They are earning a lot of money with this. Yes.
Yeah, I forgot that one Kangana Ranawat part, but I can remember the last one with Kriti Kharbanda, Himesh Reshmiya. That story was good. Like Kriti, and can you tell me the story? Like I know, then I want to hear it from you. The last one.
Raj,
Yeah,
Raj.
Raz, which was Kriti Kharbanda, Himesh was there. The story. Can you please tell it for me so that I can understand? I can recall
I
also.
think there is a he was loving Kirti Kharbanda and he was not liking. He was already married with somebody else, and the that person is some kind of like he was not a good person. The person Kirti Kharbanda is married. Presently, I was watched a lot of, you can say more than 1 year. I don't remember that, but some kind of a story. He was just want to save her, but Kirti Kharbanda is not trusting Imran Hashmi that time.
Mhm. Okay. So did you enjoy that movie?
Yes, you can say I will not watch a full movie, just to song listen and some kind of part I just watch, but not watching a full story because sometime I was thinking they are just doing a time pass kind of thing. That's because when we are watching a story in the beginning part, so we will be connected. If we are watching in the middle part, so we are not getting properly all that thing, so
Exactly.
we are not enjoying. I love to watch in the beginning. If I watch in the middle, so I was just left before the ending.
Yeah, in the beginning the story becomes so boring and monotonous, but if you start watching from in the sorry, in the middle, the story becomes so much interesting that you feel like not to go.
Okay, okay. Yeah, but
Yeah.
the story, the movie of the all the song is very nice. I was love the
Yeah,
song
very
of the
nice. uh, Raz Aankhein Teri, that song, oh, that was amazing.
very like the lyrics of the song I can say is very beautiful, like it's really is related somebody like a
Yeah,
life.
yeah. If you are in love, then you can totally relate with that song. If you are
Yes,
not even in love, then also you can relate.
it's, all the people can relate this song I can say, who is love or not love. It's a
Mhm.
very beautiful song. What whoever is written the lyrics of this song, it's very nice person I can say. The thought is coming in that mind. It's very
Exactly.
nice.
And
Yes.
have you watched that movie 1920 Evil Returns?
No, I
I
heard that,
recommend
but
you to
not.
watch. It's a nice
Okay.
movie.
Okay.
1920 and 1920 Evil Returns. Both of them are nice.
Okay. I I never watched, but I was just you. Oh, I don't know you watched or not. Some kind of there is a Makdi or some kind of movie. Makdi.
Makdi, Crab.
Yeah, I am crab that movie. I don't know it's a horror movie or not, but some part of the movie is showing a very horror movie, but it's not a horror. They are just making like a horror.
Khamosh.
People, not a Khamosha. Makdi. The movie name is Makdi, I think. There is a, some is small kids. It's playing in this movie. I
Oh,
totally
I
not
don't know.
recall.
Or maybe I didn't watch that movie. Okay,
Yes,
so now, so tell me, what kind of activities you do nowadays to improve your fluency more and more?
Uh, what I say, actually, it's the same thing. I was just talking and watching a lots of, you can say, the video, IELTS video. I watch a IELTS preparation, that person. I watched that kind of video because in that terms, I was learn a lot because they're exactly what I want. They are giving that kind of thing. So I love to watch that type of video. So presently, I'm following the, you can say, IELTS type of video to improving my English. Before this, I watch a lots of you can say what I just the celebrity
Mhm.
speeches. Before I
Mhm.
follow the celebrity speeches, so I just stop now. I follow the IELTS video presently to improve my English. You can say whatever the how much input you can say you store in your mind so
Mhm.
that the output is come in my
Yes,
mouth.
yes,
Right. So
absolutely.
if not input inside, so how can I speak? So first of
Exactly.
all, I want to store my mind all
Mhm.
that thing. So yeah, now I'm storing all that thing. You can say. Hope so in future I will be communicate very well. I can
Yeah.
say only my mistake is the I'm not making a lots of mistake in the grammatical part. It's
Mhm.
only I found my communicate while I'm conversation because
Yeah,
sometimes
otherwise you're very fluent, but sometimes grammatical mistakes are there, which are negligible because you are so fluent. So that's why I can't write it down, and those are okay. Fluency is very much needed while you're speaking. Otherwise, who like cares about grammar, right? While you're speaking.
Yeah, because I can say now, presently, I can say everyone is telling we can understand whatever you are saying. We are easily forget your grammatical mistake because while our conversation, we don't feel about we are doing a mistake or not. We are just focusing our conversation. So in that terms, we were very good. And I don't know, they are just telling me. I don't know it's right or wrong, but.
Yeah, it's right.
So yeah, I also realized some kind of watching my lots of videos, so I was quite fluent as compared to other, you can say, but sometimes grammatical mistake, I was that you can say hurt me a lot, why I'm doing this kind of mistake again and again.
No problem, you can work on it, and it's very simple. And after like 2 or 3 months, if you work on it, then you will be a perfect speaker.
Yes, yes. That is why I was watching that kind of video. I'm telling you because that video are giving a good knowledge because I just you can say watching a 1 week before and I get very good kind of thing in terms of you can say the vocabulary and the way there is I can say the 3 or 4 modules like
Mhm.
speaking, reading, and listening, and
Mhm.
I don't know, four
Listening,
modules.
speaking, reading, writing.
Yeah, so I love
English
to
are
watch.
done.
Yeah, so I love to watch the speaking part, not the listening part, because I exactly what I want. I want speaking. I know the reading and like all that thing just to speak properly. So I watch that kind of interview. IELTS preparation, girls and boys.
Wow, it is very good. Keep doing that. Okay, Sonam, it was nice talking to you. Do you have any question related to? Then you can ask me.
What I ask, you can suggest me what I want to improve in my English. Any kind of suggestion you can give.
As I said, you should work on your grammatical mistakes. Like as you have said, you are already watching IELTS interview. They provide good videos. Like they are grammatically correct. If you watch them like for 3 to 4 months, then your grammatical mistakes would be improved, and rest it is good. You can communicate well. Your fluency is also
Okay. Okay. Not any other kind of suggestion you want to give, like reading and all that thing.
As I
Some
said,
people are telling you have to read
you like
novels
to
kind of
listen.
thing. Sorry, sorry,
As
sorry.
you have said, you don't like to read or write, you like to listen. So that's why I'm not recommending you.
No, no. Some people are telling if you are reading so that you will be remember. So
Yeah.
is it true or
Yeah, is it
wrong?
true? Because if you're reading something, pick anything whichever you like. If you like cooking, so buy some cooking books. So read them loudly so that your pronunciation can be also removed, and the more you would read, the more fluent you would be. Like fast, you have to read it fast. Then you can be able to understand the punctuation, like comma, full stop, while you are
Mhm.
speaking. So like this, reading is also essential. Because you said that you don't like to read and write, that's why I didn't say that, because it depends on you how you like, right? So that's why.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so now we can wind up.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, it was nice talking to you, Sonam. Good night, take care, bye.
Bye bye.